Nighttime with Mrs. Kime, and we're going to start our bird's eye view of the city with 1-point perspective. So you're going to need a ruler, a pencil, and paper, and we're going to get started. Let's go ahead and warm up our hands. Rub our hands together to warm them up. Get them nice and warm. Open and close your hands, open and close. Roll your wrists one way, and then roll your wrists the other way. Okay, with this perspective, we will not have a horizon line. We're going to have a vanishing point, and the vanishing point is going to be in the very middle of our paper. And remember, our vanishing point is not a big circle, but it is a dot. Hopefully you can see this dot right here. This is my vanishing point. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so it'll show up for you, but that is my vanishing point. And what we're going to start doing is doing our buildings. We're going to draw the tops of our buildings. We are a bird flying over the city. And we're going to draw the tops of our buildings all the way around here. So I'd like for you to start by just drawing different shapes here all the way around. I'm going to start by drawing a square right here. And I want you to just fill up that space. You don't have to completely fill it up, but I want you to put several shapes going all the way around. In different areas. I'm going to even make an L-shape building because you might want to see how to do that one in perspective. So I'm going to make this in an L-shape building. Remember, if you have extra that comes off the end here, you can erase that, and then you can just add that back in. You can add those corners back if you need to, and then just keep adding this all the way around. And you can even use a circle. If you have something that you could make into a circle, if you had something laying around your house, you could use that, put it on here, and you could draw a circle. I'm going to use the lid of something in a few minutes, just like a lid of a bottle, and I'll show you how to add a circle. I'm only going to put one circle on mine because I want to show you how to do the windows later. So just keep adding some buildings, the tops of buildings wherever you want, and remember, we're putting it all over our paper here. They can be big or small, any size you want. Remember, these shapes that you're drawing is the top. I keep saying that, but until we start putting this together, you may not be able to see it. So just keep adding those in here. Okay, so I said I was going to add a circle, and this is just a lid that I have that goes to a candle, and I'm going to add this building right here. This is going to be this is a pretty big circle, but I'm going to add it right here so that I can show you how to add windows on a circle building. So that's going to be my one circle that I'm going to add on here, and then I'm just going to add a few more buildings in here. So I want you to spend your time adding your buildings, and they can be on here in any direction. Actually, I'm going to make this one just a little bit smaller here. Remember, you can do that. You can just make it whatever size, and then you can erase those extra lines that are right there. So I can just erase these and just keep adding some more buildings.